Hi everyone, welcome back again. This is Vandana from Dear Coding. I am elated to announce that now you can use full version of MATLAB on Windows for free lifetime without any license key or activation key. In previous video, I told you that I will inform you if I am able to use MATLAB on Windows after 30 days. The answer is absolutely yes. I can use MATLAB on Windows for free even now after 30 days. Watch this video completely to know the trick. If you will open MATLAB after 30 days, when your trial period has ended, you will see this window pops up. You will encounter License Manager Error 10. It is mentioned here, License Checkout failed. Your license for MATLAB has expired. And if you are not using a trial license, contact your license administrator to obtain an updated license. Otherwise, contact your sales representative for a trial extension. We are using a trial license, so click on this cancel button. Cancel. Now you will get the pop-up MathWorks product activation. Simply click on yes. And the login window has opened right here. Now if you will sign in with your MathWorks account, you will not be able to use the MATLAB. You will see the message, your trial has expired, and the MathWorks will ask you to buy an active license. Currently you are not linked to an active license, but we can avoid this. Let's see how. First of all, you have to open your web browser. Then right here in the search bar, you have to search MATLAB online. Now hit enter. Go to this first link which links to the www.mathworks.com website. Click on this link. The MathWorks website has opened right here. Now you have to click on this Get MATLAB button. Click on this. Come on here, click on this sign in button. If you don't have a MathWorks account, then watch this video to create one. Let's sign in to the MathWorks account. Enter your email, click on next, enter the password and then click on sign in. After signing in to the MathWorks account, this page will open up. You have three options here. First option is to link a license. You will click on this link if you already have a MATLAB license. Either you may have bought it yourself or it may be provided to you by your university. Second option is use MATLAB Online Basic. If you don't want to install the MATLAB software on your PC, then you can simply use it online on MathWorks website. The MATLAB Online Basic version is free for lifetime. Just click on this link. But if you want all the features of MATLAB, then install the MATLAB on desktop. This is the complete version of MATLAB. Let's hit on this Get a Trial button. Scroll down a little bit. Here you have to enter your state or province. Click here. Select your state or province from this drop-down list. Enter your city. Enter the zip code of your area. Is this request on behalf of a faculty member or research advisor? Select No. Scroll down a little bit. Enter your year of graduation. How will you use your trial? Click here. Then click on MATLAB Essentials. Click on this Submit button. This Welcome to your MATLAB trial will appear on the top. Now the trial period has reset. If you will click on this Install MATLAB button, you will see that here. I am recording this video on 7 February 2023. So after 30 days means this trial expires on 7 March 2023. Now listen, you don't need to download the MATLAB installer again because we have already downloaded and installed this on our PC in the previous video. Now just log in to the MATLAB software using your MathWorks account. Enter your email, then click on next, enter the password, then sign in. And boom! The trial has expired message is not here anymore. This is the MathWorks trial license valid till 7 March 2023. But what will happen after 7 March 2023? You will have to start the trial period again on the MathWorks website. Watch this video again and repeat the same process. Click on Next. This prompt is for confirmation. Once again, check your name, email, and legal name. Click on Next. Then finally click on Activate. And the activation is complete. MATLAB has been activated successfully. Close the window. Double click on the MATLAB icon to open it. And boom! MATLAB is just launching right now. So here is the MATLAB. The MATLAB code is already written here. I wrote this in the previous video. Let's run the code. Go to Editor tab. Then click on this Run button. And this is the output. If you want to know how to download and install MATLAB on the laptop, then click on the first video. If you don't want to install any softwares on your PC, you simply want to use MATLAB online on MathWorks website, then click on this second video. To know how to use MATLAB in your mobile phone, click on the I button.